Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have a possible sneak peek at a future BoxyCharm spoiler. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing spoilers for the Ipsy June Ultimate Bag. Thank you so much, April Hill. April says, haha, ugly bags. Glad I canceled my bag. Nothing in there I like. Yeah, April, it was kind of hit and miss with these bags right here. But now we haven't seen all the spoilers, so you might see something that you like. But I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So, first of all, this is not confirmed, but you know how Joe is. He likes to slip these little sneak peeks in. So first I'm going to show you the video and then I'll come back and talk about the product.
Sweetie, you get something from pharmacy. It's a deep sweet pure cleaning toner, ¿ok? Pero este es algo especial.
Why?
Tienes moringa, mira, moringa y papaya.
So Joe posted that to his Instagram, and it's him showing his wife something that she got. It's the Pharmacy Beauty Deep Sweep Toner. Now, usually when something like this happens, it usually ends up being in a box in the future. Again, not confirmed which box it's going to be in and which month. So let me know what you think down in the comments. And I do have some dates for you, so if you would, remember to mark these in your calendar. So Choice for the BoxyCharm Base July box. Early access for Choice will be open Monday, June the 8th. And then for the July BoxyCharm Premium box, that will be Thursday, June 11th. So again, mark those down in your calendar. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Rhonda Rogers. Rhonda says, happy to see you back. Rhonda, honey, thank you so much, and it feels so good to be back. I like to went nuts. If I don't have videos to do, I'm a total loss. So, I don't even know how I made it through. But Rhonda, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.